I hope that you already installed Python, guys. So let us create our bot right now. I'm going to start by first creating the virtual environment. It's gonna take a while, not much, but should be done. Now we have our virtual environment, and I look at the directory. There we have it. So all I need to do is activate the environment because I'm using Windows. I'll just do this. But if you're using Linux or Mac OS, just do source env activate. Oh, what happened? Env not act. Oh, I know what's the reason. Alright, I have my environment activated. Now I'm going to install Rasa by running pip install Rasa. So folks, this will take a while, so you have to be patient with that. Just be patient and we'll be done. So I'll have to wait for a couple of minutes and then I'll get back to the video, guys.